What's the meaning of blimpish? Blimpish. Blimpish.
Blimpish. Blimpish. The term blimpish is commonly used to describe someone who is conservative or reactionary in their political views, and can also imply a certain sense of pompousness or self-importance. The word itself is derived from the British airship known as the blimp, which was often used during the early 20th century for surveillance and reconnaissance purposes. The blimp was seen as a symbol of authority and conservatism, and so the term blimpish became associated with those who held similar views. Today, the word is often used to describe individuals or organizations that are resistant to change and hold traditional, sometimes outdated, beliefs.